and welcome po ulit sa ating channel. Today, nakakita nyo partially yung ating supplies. So, if you would notice, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. So, kailangan meron kayo nitong colors na to para magawa nyo itong project na to. So, let's get started. For this demonstration, I'm going to use this 3mm crochet hook and this crochet thread. So we're going to start by making a magic circle. Close your magic circle and chain 3. And we're going to make a cluster of 2 double crochet together. We made our first one and then chain 2. Then make a cluster of 3 double crochet together. Chain 2, and we're going to do this 8 times, so a total of 8 cluster double crochet. So now we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one more. And then we're going to chain 2 and we're going to attach on our first cluster. So we are going to pull our tail here and then we're going to sew it later. We can pull it more. So we'll be having a very small hole inside. So now we are done with our first color. This will be the center. So we're going to slip stitch and cut our yarn. So we set aside our red color. The next color we're going to use is this orange. You just have to find where those two. Here we go. Just make your slip knot and attach on the chain 2 space. In any chain 2 space, actually you can attach that one, and we're going to make 3 double crochet. In every chain 2 space. So we made a chain 3, which will be considered as our first double crochet, and then we're going to make 2 more double crochet. Then we're going to make a chain of 3, and we're going to make another 3 double crochet on the next chain 2 space. Chain 3, 3 double crochet, So that will be your repeat for this color. 3 double crochet on each of the chain 2 space and then chain 3 in between. Next color will be our yellow. Same thing, we're going to make our slip knot. And we're going to attach on any chain 3 space. And we're going to chain 3. 2 more double crochet. We're going to chain 2. This will form a shell. So we're going to make 3 more double crochet on the same chain 3 space of the orange one. So now we are done with the yellow one. I have slip stitch and now I'm going to make a chain of 1 and cut our yarn. So the next color we're going to use is the green one. After we made the chain of 2, we're going to make a 3 double crochet on this space. Sorry. And chain 2 again. Next will be on the chain 2 space. Then we'll make our chain 2 again. And then work another 3 double crochet on this space. Don't forget to make your chain of 2. So that will be our repeat. Make 3 double crochet not only on the chain 2 space but on this space as well, between those shells. Just make sure that you have made all your 3 groups of 3 double crochet on every chain or in every space. So the next color will be this blue. So the next color will be this blue. So we're going to attach on the chain 2 space that we made and chain 3. This time we're going to make 4 double crochet. We're just going to make a chain of 1 and then make our 4 double crochet again on the next chain 2 space. Chain 1 and then your group of 4 double crochet. Chain 1 and then 4 double crochet. Chain 1. So that will be our pattern for this round. So now we are done with our blue round. Our next color is a different kind of shade of blue. This is a darker one. So we're going to make our slip knot. So we attach our blue color, the navy blue, on the chain 1 space, and we're going to move up chain of 3, and we're going to do 2 more double crochet. You're going to do the double crochet on top of the first 2 double crochet, and we're going to make a chain of 2 and double crochet again on the next one. Double crochet on the chain 1, and then double crochet on the next 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet again on the next double crochet. So that will be our repeat. I'm sorry for the dark color, but this requires the dark color. So we're going to make a double crochet on the chain 1, and then 2 double crochet on the first 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet again on the second double crochet of the previous round. So this is a group of 5 actually. So to repeat, one double, and then 2 double, chain 2, double crochet right away on the next double crochet, also on our chain 1, and then double crochet again on the first 2 double crochet of the previous round, and then this time we're going to chain 2. So we're going to do the repeat until we reach our end. So now we're finishing off. We're going to cut our yarn. I made a slip stitch on that one, chain 1, and then finish it off. So for our last and final round, we're going to use this violet color. This will be our last and final round, so we're going to make a slip knot, and we're going to attach on the chain 2 space that we made. Move up by chaining 3, and we're going to make this time 5 double crochet. So now that you have made your 5 double crochet, we're going to make a chain of 1, so after we made our 5 double crochet, we're going to make a single crochet. You know that group of 5 that I told you a while ago? So make a single crochet on the middle, double crochet, and then continue doing your 5 double crochet on the next chain 2 space. And then chain 1, I mean single crochet, not a chain 1, should be a single crochet, sorry. Then 5 double crochet again. So now I am done. We'll just make a single crochet. So now we are ready to slip stitch and finish it off. But before we cut our yarn, I'm going to make a chain of 8. Turn my work, and I'm going to attach it on my slip stitch, my previous slip stitch. Because we want this one to be hanging on our wall. So we slip stitch again to close, chain our 1 chain, and then cut our yarn. And we're done. All we have to do is sew in our ends. So now we have our twins. This is the first one that I made, and I made a tassel of all the colors. I just attach it at the bottom, and then this is the chain of 8 that I made. You can see this is kind of stiff than this one, the one that we made, because I already blocked this one. I just use a combination of the regular glue and water. Then now it is ready for your wall decoration. Thank you again for joining me for today, and for those who hasn't subscribed yet, please do so. And kita-kits po ulit sa next video. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Happy crocheting!